Good morning, Chuck here in Clear Lake, Texas. A couple people made a comment about those dogs. They're very, very old and spoiled. They're fine. We are headed into town. Lori's hangry, and then we're gonna get some breakfast. And we're going to Home Depot. I want to show you guys what a Home Depot looks like for you that don't live in the United States.
Okay.
And what a hardware store is supposed to look like. And we're gonna put a light switch in today. But my son's coming over and my grandkids, and we're supposed to barbecue steaks, and yeah, it's gonna be a great day. I'm sure of it. You guys happy?
I'm happy. I'll be happy when I get some food.
Brent ran into the side of his house yesterday and broke his mirror. He was not happy last night. Are you happy today?
Good. I found a good deal.
Okay. We all know Paige is happy, right?
We just always happy.
My coffee and milk.
All she needs is her coffee in the morning.
Big ghoul.
The what?
Big goblin.
Oh no! Look, there's that thing looks pretty cool at night. I'll show you at night.
Yeah.
With the light.
Maybe we'll go trick or treating. Well, they have taken us to a new restaurant down the road that they haven't eaten at. It's supposed to have good breakfast. There's a gigantic bear out front with a welcome sign called the Black Bear Diner. And I just had a bowl of Raisin Bran trying to get the flow going, but it hasn't actually activated yet, so I'm kind of worried about that. Very cool.
But he had some kind of sandwiches and huge. Holy mackerel.
Look at that. That is a lot of food.
That biscuit.
Am I eating half of that?
That biscuit is as big as her
I
head.
know. That's huge, right?
Holy crap. That looks healthy. That's me. Yay. Wow, that's a big piece of ham right there.
Thank
So in case you guys are wondering, that's what an American breakfast looks like.
You don't eat like this every day.
No, we don't. We can't. Well, I bet some people do. There's some pretty big people in
I
here.
really do.
Yeah, that guy probably eats here 3 times a day. That looks pretty good, Brent.
Yeah, right?
Got some chili on there.
Nice bacon.
Yeah.
Extra butter. Yes, please. Thank you. I like a lot of butter. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Everybody's so super friendly at breakfast in the morning. Except Lori, she's still angry early in the morning. I think she's okay. She's got a knife in her hand, but I think she's got food. She's okay.
That's a thick piece of ham, buddy.
Being a girl, you can get away from
There you go. I got this now. Back scratcher.
You know, you can bring it on airplane, right? It's a
What?
weapon.
A weapon?
Yeah, they can say, like, oh no, you can't.
somebody's eye out.
Guess so.
Yeah, no.
Weapon. It's a beautiful day outside.
You can.
By the truck too.
Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? A Polaris slingshot. That is cool, huh?
Oh, the video
That's pretty cool. You want one of those?
in Thailand.
Awesome.
That's like
A costume. Okay, I will.
Lori calls those like Batmobiles.
Yeah, she said I could get it, but I have to wear a costume. We're trying to get to Home Depot, but check out this truck. This is It's kind of like we have a Bigfoot truck similar to this.
Up to crush and pull.
We kind of got it set up like it. That's pretty cool, huh? Texas. Very awesome. This is Home Depot. Here you can buy a bunch of stuff for your home. And of course I don't have a microphone today, I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. Take that home. Paige likes this store too. I love this. I love this lawnmower right here. This is a 0 turn. It's not really a bad price.
You smoker?
Yeah.
Barbecue? Yeah.
Me and Paige, when we had our home, we come here a lot. And every week, not here, they have this and they have a, what's the other one? Lowe's. Yeah. That's some ketchup on the carpet.
Yeah. Would you like to test?
You got any hot dog with that? By God. Anyway, we're not going to walk through this entire store, but they have everything here. Many aisles of many things. It's a do-it-yourself kind of thing. That's where they keep the bodies.
Yeah.
It's not a bad looking tool chest for the house, huh? That's pretty cool. Wow, this is metal. $400 with drawers. I'm almost thinking about getting some ant killer here because it.
No.
The stuff we have in Thailand does not work. That's okay. Out here is all their plants and everything. Outdoor stuff. We spent a lot of time out here too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
They're getting some pool salt. That's a lot of pool salt. That is a gigantic place to store all your extra shit that won't fit in your house right there.
We do not have one.
Yeah. When you just can't stop buying enough, there you go. And it's air conditioned, so your things will be nice and comfortable.
Nice and comfortable.
Yeah. I got one of them things in the storage. Want to see a picture of it? Well, we're not going to stop because we got things to do, but this is a Texas style farmer's market here. Just so you guys can see that, yeah, they do that in the country too. Well, it's not really the country, but Texas. Local honey.
Mm.
Pretty cool. My son and grandkids are here now. Hey, boy. Come here, Grandpa. Come here. You can hold your own thing, guys. Yeah. Go. Get inside. It's not. You never do this if you don't go inside. Go, guys. Go. Hey, Siler. How are you?
Okay.
What's up, boys? How are you?
Hey, good to see you.
Oh, yeah.
It's called growing up.
Wow.
Yeah. Tall. Really chunky.
How's it going, son? What the hell happened to you?
Huh?
High heels on?
No. Well, they're boots, but
I must have shrunk.
Ropers. Yeah, well, he's a little bigger than you.
Siler, you're tall like your daddy now.
He's a little weirdo when he gets nervous.
So am I, so I don't judge.
It's a camera. Come take a picture with Grandpa. Did you miss Grandpa? Oh, shoot, I almost died. Did you miss Grandpa? You take a picture of Grandpa? Huh? Huh? Big boy?
Each one has two.
Yay. Come on, let's get some sunscreen on. Come on.
Jump in, dude.
What are you doing?
Did you surprise yourself? Yeah? Get in the water, Hunter.
Siler, can I have one of your chicken nuggets?
No.
Thank you. Thank
You
you.
want share?
Hunter, can I have one of your apples?
No.
Okay, turn around so we can go. Let me put you in your seatbelt.
Let's go fly kites, bud. Come on.
Come on, turn around.
Let me put this back here.
Good job. You want to let more out? Don't get them tangled up though.
But it's called.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna make some Texas steaks.
Hey.
Get a football.
Oh, okay. You want to play catch? You want to play catch?
Yeah.
It's a hard koozie,
Yeah.
right? But it keeps it cold, I mean, to the last
Wow.
drop. And I was thinking, you know, you're in Thailand.
Wow,
That
that'd
would
be
be
cool.
something that would. And it's got a little rubber cap on it too with a bottle opener.
Oh, okay.
But, man, this is.
Okay, steak, sausage, pork ribs, mashed potatoes, and bacon wrapped green beans.
You want big hot dogs? Do you want steak? What do you want?
And they're back in the pool.
You want a little bit of steak?
Where they belong.
Okay. Okay.
I'm very proud of my son. He's such a good father. My son Tyler is taking care of these two boys by himself. He's a single parent. He just got out of the military a couple of months ago and he got a really good job here in Houston. And he's taking care of these two boys by himself, and really proud of him. I did tell him, and I just want to show you that that's a hell of a man. Pineapple.
Yum.
Okay, go.
Whatever. Do your thing, man. You gonna sit down and eat, bud? Yeah, I think I'll close here so you can eat.
You see, what is that? Oh, mashed potatoes. Nothing, I'm doing video.
About that.
Paige got her Hawaiian bread. How was that? Awesome. Food okay, guys?
Food is awesome. 2 thumbs up.
I'm so full right now. Well, that was fun. Dinner was good. My son and my grandkids just left. Oh my God. I'm not used to kids anymore. That was rough. My son has got his hands full, don't he?
He's a good dad.
Yeah, he is a good dad. So
But I'm tired for him.
I'm tired too. Them kids running everywhere. I'm like, holy crap, Tyler, I think you got to go home now. No, I didn't say that. But anyway, we're going to get in the pool and relax. Well, that's it, guys. Tired. My youngest son's coming in the morning, Casey. I don't know what we're going to do tomorrow, but I'm sure it's going to be fun. Brent has got a bottle of Blue Label Scotch, Johnny Walker. So your students gave that to you?
So, the first month, that I was up at Hunter. Students first class gave this to me, and I said I would open this on the occasion that I reached my goal. The goal was to be back in the position of man today.
Very cool.
The reason for all your people out there, we're opening it today is because I owe it to this guy. Chuck got me into the company that I'm with today. He literally changed our lives. He fully deserves to be the gentleman I break the seal with and share the first class.
It's chilled, huh?
It's a little bit chilled, but it's nice and cold inside.
Very awesome. All right, let's do it.
Ready? Oops, gotta get the open these things.
I'll edit that out.
Ready?
All right, man, here's to good friends, happy life.
Salute, my friend. Thank you.
Salute.
Fantastic. That's good. It's dangerously good.
That is amazing. Okay, guys. It is smooth, I promise. If you like today's video, don't forget to click like. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow on the next video. Bye. Paige and Lori over there. Yeah, they're saying bye. I know you can't say them.